So the last thing that I want to do is I want to make both of these a group. To make something a group, I click and drag across the entire item with my mouse, just my regular selector tool, and you'll see that each shape and line is now highlighted. If I right click inside that shape, I can make it a group. And now rather than each shape and line being highlighted, you have the outline of that shape. I want to do that for my table too. And part of the reason why I wanted to make it a group is because now I can move this entire object, I can copy it, I can rotate it. So the first thing I'm going to do is press M for move, and I'm going to look at the top, and there will be these little red plus signs, and that's going to let me rotate it. And see how the line turns red there? So that's telling me that it's a full 90 degrees. And then I'm just going to put it over beside my table. Now on my keyboard, I'm going to hold Control and press C, and that's going to let me copy it. So now I can click outside of there and press Control V, and Control V is paste. So once you have Control V pressed, you just need to click where you want it to go. I'm going to press Control V again over on this side, but I want to spin that one 180 degrees. So now my line should turn green. There we go. I'm going to move it a little bit closer. And I'm going to recopy this one with Control C and paste another one. Oops, I don't want to paste it on top of the table. And now I'm just going to color them. So I'm going to press B for bucket. And then I'm going to find somewhere in here there's a wood. There we go. And I'm just going to pick a wood that looks nice. And because these are all groups, each piece, each side, each edge is all going to be the same color. If I would have left them as individual items, they would show up as their own color, and I don't want to do that. But there we go. Now we have our dining room table and chairs.